You followed all the tutorials, opened Canva, made something that looks decent, and still have no idea how to turn it into something people actually pay for. So now you're wondering, is it the design, or did you miss a step somewhere? If you've ever felt like you're doing everything right, but nothing's working, subscribe. This channel is built to fix that. No one really explains this part. Making something pretty in Canva is the easy part. Turning it into a product, something complete, sellable, and clear, is what decides everything. And most beginners skip that without realizing it. It's not that your design skills aren't good enough. It's that you haven't packaged what you made into something people understand fast enough. Because if they did, you wouldn't be searching for another tutorial right now. Step 1. Start with the problem, not the template. Open Canva, but before you pick a template, write down one specific frustration your audience has. Lightbulb tip: social media templates is too broad. Instagram carousel templates for coaches who hate designing is a product. Step 2. Build the smallest version first. Create just one complete deliverable. One template. One planner page. One checklist. Fully finished. Hack: if you can't explain it in one sentence, it's too big.